I am Bige Jai, first head girl of the Gambia High School in 1959 when the Methodist Boys High School and the Methodist Guys High School were brought together to become a co-educational school. In Gambia High School, there was the first sixth form in Gambia High School in the Gambia. And then you have St. Augustine's and St. Joseph's. When they are qualified, they come to the Gambia High School. That was, the pioneer was in the Gambia High School, yes, Gambia High School.
The first ever sixth form in the country?
The first ever sixth form in the country.
And you were among the first girls?
Yeah, yeah.
The sixth form in this country?
Yeah, I was among the first girls to get into the sixth form. Well, we were not many girls there. The boys were always more than the girls, especially the Muslim girls. The Muslim girls, they were not, well, some went to Form 5, some just dropped by the way to get married. And I think it was me and Mrs. Jau that were the pioneers of that. The Gambia High School alumni coming together is very important. And I've been thinking of that. I've been sitting and saying, anytime I come to Gambia, I say, why not let's do something to help the school? Because so many people have gone through that school, and they are all professionals. Supporting my school is an honor, I can say. It's an honor. And I'll do my best. Well, I am next door in Dakar, and I can always be contacted. And anywhere you want me to help you, I'll be able to chip in and do my part. Probably I can't do much, but I can do something at least to help. I think everybody that has been through Gambia High School, if you tell them this, they will be ready to do that. I am sure. The only thing is for everybody to come together and chip in and put what you can, your advice, your knowledge, your help, and everything. If everybody comes together, it's not the money. It's just to let's organize certain things for the kids to show them these are people that we invite people because there are very important people in Gambia now that went through Gambia High School. So we can invite them to talk to them and say, we have been through here, we have been here, we have been like you, we have been pupils like you. And they will look up to those people. I think that's the best thing. Because it's not the money, it's not, you can't give money or anything, but that's the way you can do it. Get them, get together, bring people from Gambia High School. There are lots and lots and lots of important people now that are all from Gambia High School. So I think if we can help and have meetings with the teachers and see the teachers, because well, we are not teachers. The teachers know what is best. The school director knows what is best. And if they can choose very good teachers to help the kids. Because when we were going to school, we have very good teachers. But then that was the time when you have British teachers coming in. But I know any British teacher, the Gambian can take his place because Gambians are well trained now.